Okay, now we're going to look at the Lesson 7 problem set. Write Lesson 7 on this to be very clear. We are just deciding whether the given value is a solution to the equation. So to do that, we're going to use substitution. Every time there is an n, we're going to replace it with 2. That does not mean 42, it means 4 times 2. And again, times 2. Then we're going to use our order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. They always apply, but I find sometimes we need a reminder to use them. So, 8 minus 3 is 5. Negative 4 plus 9 is 5. So, yes, 2 is a solution. And we know that because this equaled that. Same value. Moving on to number 2. This time we do have a fraction that we will be substituting in place of each of these m's. So, 9 times 10 thirds. I can put 9 over 1 minus 19 equals 3 over 1. I just made that a fraction, times 10 thirds plus 1. Okay, 9 times 10 is 90 over 3. It's 30. Minus 19, minus 19. 30 minus 19 is 11. 3 times 10 is 30. 1 times 3 is 3. That would be 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 equals 11. That is true. Yes, 10 thirds is a solution. And I would know it was not a solution if my numbers equal different values at the end. Okay. So one more on this page. Here we're going to substitute when y equals 30. We have some distributing to do. 3, 30 plus 8. Forgot to substitute. Okay. I don't have to distribute first. I can just work this out. 30 times 2 is 60. 60 minus 6 is 54. 38 times 3 is 114. Those are not equal, so no. 30 is not a solution. Okay. This time we have a situation. Tell whether each number is a solution to the problem, modeled by the following equation. Mystery number. 5 more than negative 8 times a number is 28. What is the number? Is 3 a solution? So here's the equation that we're working with. We're going to substitute 3 in place of n. The order of operations always applies. So we're going to do multiplication here first. Okay, and that would be negative 19, which is not equal to 29. Make all those not equal to, and then I say no, 3 is not a solution. So to test and see if negative 4 is a solution, I start with the equation, but instead of n, I'm going to substitute negative 4 in for that value. Is multiplication. So I have 5 plus 32 equals 29. That would be 37 equals 29. That is not true, so no. Negative 4 is not a solution. So we're going to use this a lot as we're solving equations. We can go back and check our answers by substituting our answer in place of the original variable to see if we have a true statement. Again, we're starting with this equation. Substituting -3 in place of the value. And so now we've got 5 plus 24 equals 29. 29 equals 29. Yes, -3 is a solution. So what is the mystery number? -3. Then we have a problem that's similar to the problem we did about the sisters. 3 sisters, consecutive ages. So here we have consecutive integers, which means in a row. 3 numbers in a row. So we have this number, and then this number plus 1, and then that number plus 1 plus 1. In other words, we have x, x plus 1, and x plus 2. Smallest, middle, largest. Okay, so what we're going to do now is look at these and see that their sum is 36. So I could kind of solve it now. I could say 36 minus the 3. And that leaves me with 33 divided amongst the 3 x's would be 11. So this one is 11. This together is 12. And then the final number is 13. So 11, 12, 13. We added those up. We would get 36, which is what we were after. But a lot of times we need to write an equation. That is part of our work in 7th grade, is writing equations. So let's do that. This would be x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 36. So I have 3 x's plus 3 is 36. Take the 3 away. And I love that you can see why we're doing that. If you look at the tape diagram, 3x is 33. Divide by 3 on each side. And we get x is 11. So 11 is x. So x plus 1 is 12. And x plus 1 plus 1 is 13. Same result. The work looks quite a bit different, but it's the same situation. I think we have one more page. Oh, and it's related back. So determine if each value is a solution to our equation, which was this. Let me just write the equation, and then we will substitute each of these values in. Okay, so we'll start with the 12.5. Three times 12.5 plus 3 would be 40.5, which is not 36. So no. Whoa, 12.5 is not a solution. 3 times 12 plus 3. 36 plus 3 is 39, which is not 36. So no, 12 is not a solution. We'll try with 11. 3 times 11 plus 3, that's 33 plus 3, which is 36. 36 is equal to 36. So yes, 11 is the solution. One more question. Looks like another mystery number. Andrew's trying to create a number puzzle for his younger sister to solve. He challenges his sister to find the mystery number. When 4 is subtracted from half a number, the result is 5. Andrew's sister tries to guess the mystery number. And we have some guesses here, and we're trying to find out if she's correct. So our first guess is 30. So let's substitute 30 in place of the mystery number and see if we get 5. Half of 30 is 15. 15 minus 4 is 9, which is not equal, I'm sorry, that's not 9, that's 11. But it's still not equal to 5, so no. And the reason is because 11 is not equal to 5. Then she guesses 2, so I'm going to do half of 2 minus 4. 1 minus 4, which is negative 3, and that is not 5. So no, because negative 3 is not equal to 5. And we have one more guess. She said, well, what about 4 1/2? So we tried that. We did half of 4 1/2. Let's see if this is equal to 5. So 1/2 times 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, minus 4 equals 5. We don't know if this equals 5 yet. We're just saying it does, and then we'll mark it out if it's not true. So that would be 9 over 4 minus 4 equals 5. 9 over 4, 4 over 1, I need a common denominator. It's going to be 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So I've got 9 fourths minus 16 fourths equals 5. That's negative 7 fourths equals 5. That's not true. So no. Let's get that down. Because negative 7 fourths is not 5. So she did not guess the mystery number. Now, we could figure it out. I think I want to just for fun. We have a minute left. So half of a number minus 4 is 5. Add 4, half of the mystery number is 9. Half of the mystery number is 9. So then to solve, do the opposite of taking half, which is times 2. The mystery number is 18. Now let's just double check it real quick. Running out of time. Half of 18 minus 4 is 5. Half of 18 is 9. Minus 4 is 5. 5 equals 5. So that means 18 is the mystery number. Now they didn't ask us, but I got excited and wanted to figure it out. So now we know.